Hey doll, so I did it again. Excuse my voice, I'm really sick while editing this video and making this video. I have the flu right now, really bad. So I made another mirrored table, and this is an entryway table. I just love it, and I thought this is so much inexpensive than buying one from the store, and it holds up so well. We tried to break the legs off, me and my mum, and it was a struggle, and we gave up because I wanted to see how durable it was. So we really tried, both of us pulling it, and once the glue is on, it's hard to get off. So stay tuned, grab your coffee, grab your tea, and continue to watch because I'm going to show you how I made it. Excuse it's half done because I was sick and still am sick while filming this video, and I just wanted to get it done because I had already started the process. So take some notes and grab your coffee, grab your tea, and let's do this video. Also, if you're new to my channel and you enjoy my content, definitely subscribe down below. I appreciate all of you. 20,000 subscribers! I love you all and appreciate you all for watching my videos. And if you have any more DIY ideas, let me know in the comment section below, and I will be glad to make whatever you want me to make. Definitely go and check out my old DIY videos and give them some support and share this video as well. So yeah, let's get this video started. This is in Houston, Texas, in Sugarland. So if you're asking where I got my boxes, this is like a local box company because I feel like they're gonna have more speciality boxes. So let's go. So I got all my mirrors from Lowe's. The biggest they do is 36 inches. So I'm gonna place my mirror on top so you can see what I had to do. I marked where the mirror ends. So basically, this is all trial and error. So depends where you get your box. Like, make sure you take it in, do the boxes first before you get mirrors cut, basically. This is how my table is going to look like once that is cut off. And what I'm going to do for this corner right here is basically use some of the cardboard and just paste it on the edge, because there's going to be a hole like right here, because it's going to come down here. So I hope that makes sense, but I just want to explain because I feel like if I don't explain, people can be confused. So yeah, my measurements are completely different now. Oh, will it fall apart because it's cardboard? Let me show you how hard it is to just cut cardboard. Look. It's not, there we go. It's just not letting me, like right in my wrist is painful. So I guess this kind of proves me trying to cut this bit off. It's a big struggle. Look at how like the struggle I'm having trying to go across it. Cardboard is very tough, very, very tough. So I hope that answers a lot of questions for my other cardboard decor DIY videos. boxes, not boxes, mirrors set up, and here's the big one up here. So basically I'm going to put the glue down, because this was a struggle planning how I'm going to do this. I'm going to put the glue on all 4 tops, and I'm going to like smear it in glue, and then I'm going to gently place this mirror slowly on each piece. Like, you'll see. I'm going to try and film it, so I'm going to use the glue down there to just, you'll see. So it's done. I'm about to explain why the side has that mirror like that in a second, but here it is. I am obsessed with this table. As you can see, I'm dancing in the background, kind of. Okay, so I'm going to tell you something. This glass right here, I think it was measured funny, so it's not fitting nicely. So forget about that, it's just not working out. But other than that, this project is perfect. It came out perfect. I love it. So if you enjoyed this video as usual, give it a big fat thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram down below. I'm going to link my Instagram right here. Follow me on Instagram. If you have ideas of what you want to see next, let me know in my comment section. Let me know what you loved about this video, minus that little bit there. We have to fix that. Other than that, I love it. Let me know what you like about this video, and I'll see you dolls in my next one. Oh, let me tell you something. So this book right here was one of my DIY projects. Go and check it out. How to do a crystal Jimmy Choo book. So go and check it out if you want to know how to do that. So yeah, that's just in all my DIY videos. I'm obsessed. Oh my god, I freaking love this table. Like, I freaking love this table. Minus that, we're gonna fix that, but oh well. It's so pretty. Oh my god, I love it. Can't wait to use this. Like, look how it has my design, like LB London. Wait, the LB's meant to be up there. It's meant to be reversed, but yeah, it's gorgeous. I love it. I actually kind of like it broken up, because the Jimmy Choo silver, and you got that silver, so the pink in the middle. If you like my coffee table, let me know in the comment section below. I'm super obsessed. I feel like a proud mum. Yes, it's done.